Yeah, I've been representing Sun Energy Systems India Private Limited. We have the manufacturing facility at Hyderabad. Basically, we are focusing on power conditioning equipments and all. So we have range of products and all, like solar power packs we have, like conventional systems like home UPS we have. We have different capacities of home UPS systems. Apart from home UPS systems, we also have conventional systems like online systems and all, for computers, for computers and all. Apart from this, we also have solar power packs, which are more focus, because we have a lot of anticipation towards future, because the scarcity of the power is much more, because it is see, every year we are facing power wrath and all. In absence of power and all, lot of because in the peak hours time it is affecting a lot. Our products will be much more useful in absence of power, because we have wonderful installations across India. Actually, this is nothing but a conservation of power and all. Say the power bill, everything will be substantially minimized. See, once incepted this system and all, the user will be much more friendly. Actually, the conservation of power also will be substantially minimized. It will be longer run. It will also carry a good this thing, and even for the climate, for the nation also, a user will be doing much more. Here, this case, we have wonderful installations across state, across India. So we have done for UP. Some installations for Orissa also we have done some installations. Apart from that, we also have done installations for Manipur and various other locations also across India. Even in Andhra Pradesh, we have wonderful installations. Here, the users are also happy, conserving their power bills and all. So these are going to be the essential in future also, because we have a lot of anticipation for the future tomorrow, because we are just waiting, anticipating much more support from the government also, where MNRE, because he is going to raise some gazette in regard to the subsidy and all. Subsidies will help us in promoting our product much more, because in turn the government also will be not affected, because every individual user, if he starts generating power and all, if the same power is being connected to the grid and all, if that process goes on, a lot of power conservation will come to an end, and it is going to be very informative and very useful for the nation also. See, all this power which government is buying from private sources and all can be minimized. It will be the better part of suggestion of an individual for me to say like this. This is going to be very beneficial for the future tomorrow. This is what I would like to express about my organization, where we have done some installations also. We are quite happier, and we have a lot of future we feel in that sense and all. Yeah, our ranges starts from 4,000 rupees to the extent of 14 lakhs also. It depends upon the user's requirement, user's points requirement, user's hours requirement. Based on those, we keep guessing about, we keep evaluating about the battery strength, the panel strength on the top. We need shadow-free zones for the top mainly. That is mainly required for us. So, plus India, actually this is what I can say. Once you start minimizing your power bill and all, it will be helpful for the nation also. 1 unit saving will be 2 units produced and all. This is a little word to say. Thanks for giving me an opportunity. Thank you.